Welcome to Paul's Glassworks. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use this glass cutter to take a bottle like this and turn it into a drinking glass like this. First step is to loosen these two screws and set this bar and this bar with the tip in the bottle to where you have a 90-degree angle down to your cutting head. Next step is to loosen this bar, let it out, and bring it back in against the bottle until this bar is straight up and down. Next step is to take the handle of the glass cutter and try to make sure that your cutting wheel in the front is straight on like my finger, not tilted up like this or tilted down like that, or it will not score the glass correctly. Now, to set the score in the glass, grip the glass by the bottom, put the glass cutter on the top, slight pressure downwards and slight pressure inwards, and then turn the bottle. Yes. You can hear the scraping sound that the cutter is making. You only want to make one pass. One score is enough to cut a bottle or glass. You keep going like this until you hear the sound change. Okay, the cutter just went into the score for the second time, so you stop there. You only need one score. This glass cutter comes with a tapping tool, which you can put in through the neck of the bottle. Like this. You set it to the depth of the score, and then you tap several places on the inside and get small fractures to start. Then when your glass looks kind of like perforated paper along the edge of that score, you subject it to hot and cold water. Glass tapper, and go around the bottle like this. Making small fractures that follow the line. And you also note that you want a strong light source behind this as well, so you can see the cracks forming. You don't have to hit the inside of the glass hard, but you should see some cracks that look like they go all the way through the bottle. And then stressing the glass with hot and cold water after this will finish bringing the cracks together and separate the head. Okay. The next step is to hit the glass with hot and cold water to stress it and separate the head from the body. Not exactly a perfect cut, but that might be salvageable if I can nip those off with a pair of pliers. Still usable and can be turned into a cup.